Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll discuss some easy ways to eliminate leaves in your yard. If you're tired of dealing with messy foliage, we have some tips and tricks to make your life easier. Option 1. The quickest and simplest method is to mulch the leaves with a large riding lawnmower. This option is suitable if a riding lawnmower is available to you. Option 2. Another option is to use a leaf blower. For optimal performance, choose a battery-powered leaf blower with a minimum of 120 cubic feet per minute, CFM, and a 4AA labeled battery. Select a blower weighing less than 10 pounds before attaching the battery, and avoid using suck and grind settings to save battery life. Black + Decker LSWV 36 150 is an excellent option for small yards, while Greenworks DigiPro G-Max 350 is best for larger areas. Option 3. You can also rake the leaves. Former NASA engineer Mark Rober suggests using a zigzag pattern instead of creating multiple piles. Begin on one side of the yard, raking the leaves sideways into the still leaf-strewn area you've yet to uncover. Turn the corner and repeat until the strip of pushed-over